Hey folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, start of the second week of 2018. So, I'm officially back in the markets, back trading as of Wednesday or Thursday last week. I'm not sure if you watched last week's video. So, today's video is Tuesday, the 9th of January. I'm just going to go over setups for this week using the Day Trader X, the Swing Trader X system profile, looking at the higher time frames. Okay, remember in the day trading profile, we'll just head over to the swing trader. So a couple of setups happened as expected last week. Euro JPY more or less come up to around the 137 area, and it's dropped right back below 135 this week. Okay, so as always, we'll start off on the Euro USD. Okay, so you can see we are very bullish. Talked about it last week, but it's back in and back down below 120. Again, we're looking for a break above this. If you look at the higher time frames, just zoom out here in the monthly. So we are in a key area on the chart. If you look at the higher time frames, at 50% area here. Break through it, we could head up towards the one, well, a lot higher. This 50% line holds, expect a move back down. So at the minute we're currently bullish, but it didn't break above the 121 area last week, which would have been a case for getting back in the market. So we could be in for a sell trade here. You can see it come up right up this 21 high, 121, and just hit it straight away. So we're going to watch this closely. Back down to this breakout area here. See this swing low. This is your swing high up here. Trend, swing low, and then this area here took out this swing high. It's come back down to test this area here. So we'll see what happens here. If it continues to come back down, we're just going to play this range. And the range is between 121 and say 116, 121 and 117 and 116 down here. Euro. So watch this closely this week. See, we've had this uptrend on the 4-hour chart here. Our chart uptrend was broken, and we're now in a downtrend, so we could expect a wee pop up here, then a move back down. So my view is to this week. See, we're getting a buy trade here. This is actually a good trade if you're going on the day trader profile. Why? Basically because the daily, weekly, and thingy's up. But if you're on the day trading profile, probably the 4-hour and the 1 hour's down. Okay, so yeah, I would like a move up here, and then to get back in the sell down towards this 121 area, holds down towards 117 area, bottom of the range. Euro JPY, again we talked about this last week. Zoom out to the monthly charts. See, you've got this area here in the monthly. Coming into the 137. It's come up 136,500. Well, 136,700, 800 was nearly 137 last week it hit, and you can see the actual uptrend here, just losing steam coming into this area here. That's why I'm looking to get in a short this market. And I actually have shorted. You can see we actually are getting a weekly sale this week. This could be a good trade for the next couple of months, all the way down to the 126 area. See, slowing of momentum here. The candles are getting slower and slower as it edges higher. We've got the divergence on the MACD. This could be a really good trade if it starts to drop here. You can see slowing of momentum all the way up here. These swing highs are just getting choppier and choppier and choppier. So this could be in for a good move down this year. Euro British pound. Talked about this last week. Nice sell trade. We got the sell signal there on Friday. And this just basically because we've got this range in the daily chart, and it's likely to go down to the 187 500 area, bottom of the range, or the 187 area. Okay, and just stay in this range at the minute, unless anything happens in the drastically on the pound. Okay, British pound USD. Again, talked about this last week. If it's going to take out these highs here, failed to even get up to that high, slowing the momentum here. So we could be in, if it doesn't break this 136 500 area, expect a move back down to the 130. Anyway, first real bounce will be around the 133 500 area. This starts to drop here. Just look at the 4-hour chart. You can see where I get the signal on the 4-hour chart. We've got the divergence. This could be a really good trade on the British pound USD. Similar story with the British pound Japanese yen. 153 still holding. It is etching higher here. This often drastically happens with the BritX, and sparks a rally up. We could be going down here with this bearish flag formation here if you zoom out in the weekly. So you can see got this big drop, and then it's just slowly moving up in a flag shape, flag or a boot shape, and we could be getting a big move down. So time will tell on it. This week, short term, the minute unless nothing happens above 153, this would be a good sell. Looking to get into this market to sell all the way down to the 151 area. Aussie dollar, again rallying hard. Again, we're in this. You can see we're in this choppy area here on the weekly charts. Got a nice buy down the bottom there just before Christmas. So expect a move up. This to continue going up to around the 81 500 area, or 80 500 area, up to here. Short term area here might be a lot overextended. You can see it's come into this area here that caused this really move down, the break of this low here. It's come up into it here. You see? What I'm talking about is this was your uptrend. This was down, swing high. This swing high here created a new swing low. Took out this low here, so this is a good area. And continue to go down, choppy. Signals at the bottom of that range in the weekly. You can see nice arrow in the weekly, a nice arrow in the daily at the same time, and up she went. So possibly what's likely to happen is a bit of a retracement, maybe down to the 20 MA, and a rally back up towards the 80 500 area, the top of the range. Everything's very choppy at the minute in most of these currency pairs, as you see. Again, Aussie yen. Last month we got a signal on the monthly chart. Really a break above this, has to break above the 9500 area, 200 pips away. Breaks above it, we could be heading way up to the 94, 95 areas on the monthly. Based on that signal, it's usually a good signal. So we'll see what happens with it. Short term, liking a bit of a retracement, maybe down to the 20 MA, and rally back up. So what I'm looking to do there on the Aussies, is wait for a bit of a retracement and then buy back in on the market, and just use the day trader X system for areas to buy back in. USD CAD, I actually took a trade in this last night based on this was it here. Here, this is the signal here. We got yesterday on the day trader X system. Nice signal down to the downside. zoom out on the USD CAD again. Talked about selling this last week and we've been selling it ever since. See a huge drop there Friday. Weekly, I'm liking this to take out this low here at 120 and head lower down towards all the way down to 111 in the higher time frames this year. But with the current price, I'm looking to down to around the 121 area. So looking to sell, just get in sales on the USD CAD. USD Japanese yen, again just very choppy here. See, all last year we were just in a range. Very choppy. So if you're going to be trading this and you've got the day trader X system, you'd want to be using the scalping profile or the day trader profile and just trade with the short-term trend. Okay guys, so that's it for this week on the setups. Hope this video helps. If you want to access the day trader X system or the swing trader X system, just click the link below. And if you have any trading related questions, just get in contact with me at will@fxace.com. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Will over to fxace.com.